give thanks to our divinity within our heart space, the divine light, allowing this eternal flame of truth to burn brighter and brighter and brighter, as I invite you over the course of the next 29 days to light a candle. And as we look at the candle, bring the flame within your heart, just for 2 minutes a day, as we allow ourselves to feed the flame within, allowing us to move through the eclipse season through the strength and the power of our heart. As we give thanks to the divine light, the eternal counsels, the counsels of light, the masters, teachers, and loved ones, and our mighty I Am presence, we allow Archangel Michael to wrap his angelic wings around us, allowing us to be in a place of purity, protection, truth, as we allow and invite Michael to release any energetic cords from anyone, known or unknown, not serving us. May they be dissolved back into the light, as we seal our entire auric field with a golden globe of light. As we allow honey to pour over our entire auric field, the divine love light in me honors and recognizes the divine love light in you, the place where we are one. Namaste.